welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brenda, or you can call me Bren, Bree, Brenny, or my African name because I am from Africa. Today I want to show you how to achieve a bright eye makeup for any kind of skin tone, but mostly for darker skin tones, especially if you want to go out and you kind of want your eyes to stand out, make them look kind of bigger, pop, and make people draw the attention to your eyes. But if you want to know how to also achieve the lip look that I have on as well, well guys, I guess you will just have to stay tuned. So let's go. We're going to be using a Babe Beauty palette called Desert Sand. It has some really bright transition colors. I'm going to be coughing a lot because I am a little bit sick and congested. It did snow. We got a lot of snow here. We're going to be starting off using Tundra. And you want to do that to the lid of your eyes. Next, we're going to go in with the wood color right there. Next, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, MAC 195 brush. It's going to be a cut crease bright look. So you're going to take a little bit of this on there. Not too much because you don't want it too much. So a trick I like to do is I like to hold my eyelid. Yeah. Do you know Johnny? Question. Next, we're going to take the color in Atlantis. And you're going to use a small dash of that on the top of your lid using the crease brush. Next, we're going to take the Valley. Valley. And I'm going to use the small end of this brush. And from the end, you're going to bring it over. You're going to tap it in. Don't bring it all the way in. You're going to leave like the middle right there. Tap into the wood color with your finger, using your finger, like so. And you're going to take it and bring it to the middle of your lid. I'm going to take my Revlon eyeliner. My Beta Bad Girl Bang mascara. What I like to do, an extra step that I like to do is I like to take my comb, which is the two end. It's a It's a lash brush, and the other end has a comb, and I like to feather through this. Pro Professional primer for my face, or you can also get the Smashbox primer water. I like to use this as well. To be using Laura Mercier BB cream to do my face because, as I said, I do not use foundation. I prefer BB cream just because it does give me the full coverage effect, but in order for me to get the full coverage effect with the Laura Mercier, I like to first start my CoverGirl FX, which is my color corrector. So for my color corrector, I like to use my airbrush detail corrector. So I like to, of course, spray this. I have this song by Ariana Grande stuck in my head, Thank You Next, because that was the last song that played on the radio. Like I said, Laura Mercier BB cream in the color Mocha. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee for my under eye. So for my concealer, I'm going to use my Echo Tools, and it's called Ultimate Cover. And I'm gonna use that to do my under eye. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Dark Cocoa.
Maestro Obio Baguette. Hey, I don't dey looking from afar. I know say you go one go party. I don't dey looking for your eyes, girl. I know say you go one thing shy, yo. I don't dey looking to your eyes, so I know say you go one dance better. I don't be looking for my fat girl. I know say you go one dance. Oh yeah, dance is a vibe. It's a vibe. Oh yeah, move is a vibe. Baby girl, oh yeah, dance is a vibe. It's a vibe. Oh yeah, move.
Next, we're gonna go with my Sephora brush 2192. We're going to go in with the Sephora brush for Atlantis, and we're
girl, you got to come closer, closer. And I promise you, baby girl, I go buy you new Rover. Girl, you got to come over. And my body to do be walk, and I don't feel hold on no more.
Metaphor M501. I'm going to go in here and kind of just take off the excess.
And I go love and giddy giddy, love and giddy giddy, and giddy 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 giddy, no not to giddy 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 giddy. It's a vibe, love is like it, we need to survive. Baby, up in my ride, oh yeah, more decide, oh survive.
I done the looking for my fat with the bounce. I know say you go one go party. I done the looking for your eyes, girl. I know say you go one drink shy, oh. I done the looking to your eyes, so I know say you go one dance.
I am going to go in with my It's Laura Mercier setting powder color, and I'm going to take a brush as so.
I done the looking for my fat girl. I know say you go one dance. Oh yeah, dance is a vibe. It's a vibe. Oh yeah, move is a vibe. Baby girl, oh yeah, dance is a vibe. It's a vibe. Oh yeah, move is a vibe. Slide down.
And I'm going to go with my highlighter. It's called Jelly Bean. I'm going to use my fingers. So.
It's a vibe, oh yeah, move is a vibe. Yeah, dance is a vibe. It's a vibe, oh yeah, move is a vibe. Yeah, I did my lane, they live life. I'm all about the good life, yeah. Nobody hating on this side. Fresh boy, just they live life, yeah. West side girl, what's up? Tell me where you want go, yeah. Tell me where you want go. Where you want go, I go. She's a bum diggy diggy, and I love a giddy giddy girl. I love a giddy giddy girl. That girl from giddy, that girl from giddy. The vibe I'm giving. She's a bum diggy diggy, and I love a giddy giddy girl.
My lips, I'm going to prime them with Ultimate Zone. And we're going to use the lip liner called Blackmail by Urban Decay.
I done the looking for my fat with the bounce. I know say you go one go party. I done the looking for your eyes, girl. I know say you go one drink shy.
Last but not least, this is a liquid lip liner, liquid lipstick by Bae. It's a little bit nuder than my skin. And of course, I line my lips a little bit darker.
I done the looking to your eyes, so I know say you go one dance better. I done the looking for my fat girl. I know say you go one dance. Oh yeah, dance is a vibe. It's a vibe. Oh yeah, move is a vibe. Baby girl, oh yeah, dance is a vibe. It's a vibe. Oh yeah, move is a vibe. Slide down. Oh yeah, dance is a vibe.
I'm gonna use a little bit of a metallic lipstick. Not a lot. Yeah.
I done the looking for my fat girl. I know say you go one.
To set my face, I'm gonna use my skincare. Ooh, I sprayed a lot.
Oh yeah, dance is a vibe. It's a vibe. Oh yeah, move.
Alright guys, this is the finishing look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I am hoping to bring you more videos, at least especially on the weekend, because that's when I have my free time with school and work and trying to start a YouTube channel. It's gonna be a lot to take on, and you know, trying to run an organization as well on campus as being the VP. It's going to take me a lot of work, but I am willing to do this for you guys. So guys, really stay tuned on what is going to be coming to this channel. And I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do recording it for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to, of course, subscribe down below. Bye, loves.